watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of production processes in factories. Today, we're diving into the heart of manufacturing, where incredible machines and skilled workers come together to create marvels. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated on our amazing journey. 1. Rotomolding machine. Lastly, we explore the advanced technology of the rotomolding machine. This powerhouse operates with unmatched speed, fuel efficiency, and productivity, enabling the rapid production of products like plastic water barrels. Join us as we witness this impressive machine in action, showcasing the synergy of technology and manufacturing prowess. 2. Paper cup production. Next up is a mesmerizing machine with a production capacity of 130 cups per minute. Watch as it works at lightning speed, orchestrating the entire procedure seamlessly. The captivating process of paper cup production is sure to leave you in awe. 3. Faucet production. Our first stop takes us to a factory covering over 26,000 square meters with more than 300 skilled workers. Here, the magic unfolds as we witness the intricate stages of faucet production, from the initial molding and casting processes to the precision of CNC machining, followed by polishing, assembly, and the critical testing stage. Each step contributes to the creation of a high-quality tap. Four. Oil filters production. Now, let's delve into the essential world of oil filters. These components ensure the pristine condition of engine oil, requiring a meticulous production process. Numerous skilled individuals participate, dedicating their attention and control to guarantee the quality of these vital engine components. Five. Razor blade. Production. Our journey continues with the production of razor blades. Crafted from stainless steel strips, these blades undergo a series of intense processes, including molding, heating, cooling, grinding, and polishing. Witness how the molecules are restructured and the metal is hardened, resulting in razor-sharp precision. The fully automated assembly line showcases the efficiency of modern technology, assembling 180 razor heads per minute. As we conclude this video, we invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Which factory process amazed you the most? Stay tuned for more incredible journeys into the world of manufacturing. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.